Hi, welcome to Anubhav, Understanding Your Leadership. Today we have Ayush Sahu, the General Secretary of the Cultural Board with us. To begin with, how would you describe your overall journey as the General Secretary of the Cultural Board?
So yeah, honestly it was a great experience, and I learned a lot through all the ups and downs, all the experiences I've got. It was an honor to serve as the GS Cultural Board. It was a great experience meeting so many like-minded peoples across IITs in our campus itself. So yeah, and looking upon my journey, so we were very focused upon the inter-IIT preparation. So we started our preparations from in the summer vacation itself. We were meeting regularly with the clubs. Then the things went on, and then we had orientations. Then all the events were majorly focused on the inter-IIT preparations as well. So then in the month of December, we prepared a lot. Then we went to Inter-IIT, which was in IIT Kanpur. It was a hell lot of experience. It was a great experience, I would say. And our contingent performed really well. We are expecting a top 4 position in that. So it was an experience that then in January, it's a month of Alchering and Virasat. So, and now it's Kala, our Performing Arts Festival. So that's going on right now. It's a great experience.
Right. So, campus जनता ग्लोरी देखते हैं कल्चरल बोर्ड की परफॉर्मेंसेस, फेस्ट्स, बट उसके पीछे का बैकएंड नहीं. So, what are some of the key roles and responsibilities of the GenSec that go unnoticed?
So the roles majorly include, first of all, I am the only POC that is supposed to be the bridge between the admin and any student body which is trying to build a event. So the first and the foremost thing is this only. Then second is looking after the 10 clubs and the inter-IIT preparations and all. Then one of the major part of this role is looking after the Alchering and Virasat. There are many times you have to go with the team and you have to talk with the admin and you have to present your things to the admin, the things of the team to the admin, that regarding permissions or regarding, there are many things. So this is one of the major parts. Then comes the inter-hostel cultural competition, which I am supposed to be the convener of that, which is Manthan. And so these are the key roles. And apart from this, which you specifically asked me, the things which go unnoticed is, there are two sides of everything, I believe. And then there are very positive sides that you get to manage so many people, so many activities, so many events. But there are some negative sides also, such as every time you are at the back end of every event. So obviously you enjoy with the team. Organizing fest is in itself is a task, is an enjoyment. But at the end you are only organizing and you are never enjoying that part. So everything that goes in your mind, कि यार ये काम बचा है, ये काम बचा है, ये काम बचा है. सो हाँ, वहाँ पर एक चीज़ होती है जो अननोटिस होती है, वो किसी को नहीं दिखती है. सो ये चीज़ रखनी चाहिए दिमाग में जो भी आगे कंटेस्ट करने के लिए सोचा.
What would you say has been the hardest part about managing the cult board?
So from the board perspective, first of all, I would like to say is keeping all the clubs aligned towards a single goal, which is inter-IIT, because हमारे IITs के across inter-IIT एक ऐसा कंपटीशन है जो जिसका लेवल अनमैच्ड है बिल्कुल, है ना. तो उस इवेंट को फोकस रखे जब हम तैयारी करते हैं, तो इन जनरल आर एनवायरनमेंट ग्रोज, वी इन जनरल ग्रोज. सो दिस वाज वन ऑफ द मेजर टास्क जो हमने स्टार्टिंग से दिमाग में रखा हुआ था कि हमें इंटर-IIT स्पेसिफिक प्रिपरेशन हमेशा रखनी है. हमारी इवेंट्स आर सपोज्ड टू बी अलाइंड इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ preparing for inter-IIT. Then I would say is the hard task is sometimes at times when people come to you, मुझे ये काम है, and you don't feel like talking to them, but at the end it's your job, तुम्हें वो करना है. तो कभी कभी वो मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मैं बहुत एग्जॉस्टेड हूँ, बट एट द एंड मुझे कॉल्स अटेंड करनी है एंड मुझे वो काम करना है. बट ठीक है, दैट्स पार्ट ऑफ योर जॉब, एंड ठीक है, इट्स अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस ओवरऑल.
During your tenure, what major agendas and initiatives did you introduce that you believe should definitely move into the next tenure?
Okay, so first and foremost, would be this place, CBS, the Campus Broadcasting System. The reviving this place was a major task, and we have successfully done it. We are anytime ready to go live on YouTube, and हमारे बहुत events हो जैसे such विरासत जो हम directly stream करते हैं YouTube पे, and they have crossed million of views. So yeah, तो एक ये मेजर चीज़ थी जो हम लैक कर रहे थे अभी तक, that which is CBS, जिस पे बहुत सारा काम अभी बचा हुआ है, जो अभी जस्ट स्टार्टिंग है ये, एंड वो आगे डेफिनेटली वो आगे जाने वाली चीज़, एंड मैं एस्पायर कर रहा हूँ कि ये चीज़ जो मैं विजन लेके चल रहा हूँ, आगे जो लोग आ रहे हैं वो भी इस विजन पे अलाइंड रहे. एंड then second a major change which I introduced was I introduced some new kind of PORs. I would not like to say POR, but I introduced cup mentors and contingent leaders into the clubs. So basically, when I studied the structure of inter-ID contingent of another IITs which are winning year by year, Bombay, KGP or Kanpur. So I got to know that they have some specific members जो inter-IT preparation handle करते हैं apart from club secretaries. So मैंने वो बहुत study किया मैंने, and then I introduced cup mentors and contingent leader, and then definitely वो बहुत help कर रहा है मुझे, and inter-IT में हमारी ranks better होने से, तो हाँ वो आगे जानी चाहिए, and वो उसका काम और better होना चाहिए, उनसे coordination better होना चाहिए. Yeah.
Well, since you talked a lot about the inter-IT in your experiences, so what is the exact role of a general secretary in coordinating the inter-IT cult meet?
So first of all, so GS Cultural Board is the part of the inter-IT cultural meet board. So basically 23 IITs के सारे representatives, सारे GS and the contingent leader are part of this board. तो जो भी meets होती है regarding judges, regarding rule book, regarding constitution, उन meets में हमें बैठना होता है, हमें अपने suggestion देने होते हैं, हमें proposals देने होते हैं. Then comes the part of the preparation. हमें as the GS Cultural Board तो मैं हमेशा अपनी team का motivation high रखना है. वो जब भी तुम्हें look up पे करते हैं कि भैया हम इस चीज़ में हमें इस चीज़ में issue आ रहा है, तो वहाँ पर एक GS कल्चरल बोर्ड का काम होता है कि वो इशू रिजॉल्व करना. वो एक मेजर पार्ट होता है प्रिपरेशन में हेल्प करना, उनकी सारी लॉजिस्टिक्स जितने भी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है वो पूरी करना, बी इट इक्विपमेंट्स और एनी अदर रिक्वायरमेंट्स. और देन इट कम्स टू द लॉजिस्टिक पार्ट्स, द ट्रैवलिंग पार्ट, वो हमें अच्छे से सॉर्ट आउट करना होता है. आई दिस ईयर मेक श्योर दैट ट्रेन में भी कोई बंदा भूखा नहीं जा रहा है, वो खाना खा रहा है, एंड क्योंकि छोटी छोटी चीज़ बहुत मैटर करती है एट द एंड, दैट कीप्स दैट मोटिवेशन हाई and that spirit hai. So yeah, that I made sure that वो अच्छा हो रहा है. And then it comes to the performance part. तो वहाँ तो यार वो तो फिर पूरे contingent का काम है यार, वो तो contingent की मेहनत है, सबकी मेहनत है in general. Then there are contingent meets जहाँ पे GS Cultural Board को बैठना होता है, and वहाँ पर जाके लड़ना होता है अपने contentions के, क्योंकि contention गेम से भी तुम काफ़ी ज़्यादा रैंक अप करते हो, जो हमें इस साल दिखा है, तो हमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिजल्ट दे रहा है. So yeah.
So what is your message to the upcoming candidates for the post of General Secretary Cultural Board?
So my message would be, if you are a guy who is into cultural things, whose domain lies in the cultural aspects, and you like managerial part also, then and you are ready to manage a contingent of 250 people for inter-IT or serving for 8,500 people in the campus. In any aspect, so go for it. My message would be straight up, go for it. It is a hell lot of experience. You will gain a lot through this journey. ये सिर्फ जीतने की जर्नी नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो प्रिपरेशन का टाइम है वो तुम्हें बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखा देती है, जो इतनी अनसेट चीज़ें हैं जो जब तुम लोगों से मिलते हो. एंड माई फर्स्ट सजेशन वुड बी, सबसे पहले लोगों से मिलो, जितने ज़्यादा उनसे इनपुट्स ले सकते हो वो लोग, क्योंकि वही तुम्हें ग्रो करेंगे एट द एंड, एंड इस प्रोसेस से तुम बहुत ज़्यादा सीख सकते हो. सो हारने जीतने का सोचने से अच्छा है, गो फॉर इट.
That was Anubhav with Ayush Sahu, General Secretary of the Cultural Board. Remember, clarity leads to informed voting.